sailing over the endless blue sea. Follow a secret melody. I hear your voice whispering here by my side. She tells me how to turn the tide.
up with smoke, and I got my veins all tangled close to the jukebox bars you frequent, the safest place to hide. A long night spent with your most obvious weakness, you start shaking at